Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys this new Dogecoin mining website which paid me in about 52 Dogecoin recently. And I said let me share it with you guys. So here this is the account creation phase of this Dogecoin mining website. And the link is provided in the description box of this video. Just click on the link in the description box of this video to bring to this page. You just have to enter your email right here. You enter your preferred password and you just click on where it says get code. They'll send the code to the email you entered right here. You go get the code, paste it right here, and click on register, and your account will be created successfully, guys. So once you are registered successfully on this platform, you'll be given 2.5 Dogecoin as sign up bonus, guys. So once you do that, you can start earning some Dogecoin every single day, guys. So let me just log in and show you guys how to make money on this Dogecoin mining website. So guys, welcome to my homepage on this Dogecoin mining website. Right here on the homepage, it normally shows the current price of Dogecoin in the last 10 days. There you can see Dogecoin price fluctuation in the last 10 days. It will show you right here, guys. So clicking right here, you can see here, this is Dogecoin mining website. It's easy to mine. It's easy. Mining rigs are already set up and running. As soon as you set up your account, you can purchase a mine. Start to mine and get daily return using your crypto cloud mining service, guys. You can see clicking here will go to my dashboard, and here you can upgrade your website. So here you can choose your mining here on this website to mine some free Dogecoin. So once you are registered successfully, you can see for the Doge one is the free Dogecoin mining plan right here. Once you are registered, you'll be given 2.5 Dogecoin sign up bonus, which I told you guys, and you are going to be earning 0.3 Dogecoin every single day for free for straight 10,000 days. You can see this is the free plan. You can see this is the one I am on currently, guys. So you can see the Doge 2 right here. You're going to be getting it at the rate of just 5 Dogecoin. With 5 Dogecoin, you can be able to purchase this Doge 2 and be earning 0.1 Dogecoin every single day for straight 80 days, guys. So you can see for the Doge 3 right here, you can get it at the rate of as low as 10 Dogecoin. You'll be getting 0.02 Dogecoin every single day for straight 80 days, guys. It's so easy, guys. This platform is a new platform and is currently paying, guys. So you can see here for the Doge 5 right here, you get at the rate of 100 Dogecoin, and you'll be getting 2.85 Dogecoin every single day for straight 60 days. For the Doge 5 right here, for the Doge 6, you're getting at the rate of 500 Dogecoin, and you'll be earning 16.5 Dogecoin every single day for straight 55 days. For the Doge 7, you'll be getting at the rate of 1,000 Dogecoin. You'll be earning 40 Dogecoin every single day for straight 55 days. So you can see the affiliate bonus right here. Once you invite individuals here on this website, you're going to be getting 19% for the first level of 9% for the first level referral, 5% for the second level referral, 3% for the 2% for the third level referral, and 2% for the fourth level referral, and 1% for the fifth level referral. So you can see here the platform is showing the last 20 payments from this website on this table, guys. So scrolling right here, you can see their pay ID, their Dogecoin address respectively right here, and the dates they withdraw. You can see 7 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 16 hours ago. This particular individuals withdrew. This particular one withdrew 13.2 Dogecoin, 12, 7 and 10 Dogecoin, and 7.49 Dogecoin from this particular website. So let me just scroll and go to my dashboard and show you guys some stuff. So clicking on the dashboard right here, you're going to see my dashboard and my earnings. You can see currently I have 0.9 Dogecoin currently on my balance, guys. You can see today's total deposit. I have not deposited from the website. You can see my total withdrawal from this website, 52.25 Dogecoin withdrawn successfully from this website, and it came through my wallet. So you can see the total bonus. Here is just the statistics. So this website is a new website, and you can see the Dogecoin is mining for you here every single second. So clicking right here, let me show you guys another way in by just clicking here. It says referral. So once you click on profile right here, it will take you to your profile, and you can just see these are my total referrals right here. So to just copy this, you can see my URL referrals. You just copy your referral link, which is my referral link right here. So once you copy it, you just have to share it to your family members on WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, or your friends. And once you're using your link, you're going to be earning massive for referring them to this website. So here, where it says address withdrawal, you can come here and click on update. You paste your Dogecoin wallet address for withdrawal, which I pasted mine when I was about to withdraw my earnings. So you can see I withdrew 52.25 Dogecoin from this website. So let me show you guys how to withdraw from this website. So to withdraw, you come back to the home page, and on the home page you just come where it says dashboard. So clicking on dashboard right here, you just have to click on where it says withdraw. When you have earned up to 7 Dogecoin, the minimum withdrawal here on this website is 7 Dogecoin. Once you have attained the amount of 7 Dogecoin, you just have to come here. You enter the amount you want to withdraw right here. After, you must have bounded your Dogecoin address already. You can see it right here, but this is mine right here. So you just have to click on request, and your withdrawal will be pleased successfully, guys. So that is how to withdraw. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.